For a phone format that's only been around since 2019, foldable phones are surprisingly mature. Later this year, the Galaxy Z Fold and Flip 5 will mark Samsung's 5th iterations of its foldable devices. The concept of a phone that folds in two is so well established at this point, we're starting to see more competitors entering the market, and for those that haven't, it seems like a matter of when not they'll release a foldable of their own. And at this stage, you use a foldable phone with certain expectations. You're going to expect that the phone will open and close with ease, and that its hinge will be able to withstand the rigors of long-term use. At the very least, you'd expect to be able to multitask on the device's larger interior screen, running multiple apps side by side. You might even hope for features that take advantage of a foldable's unique form factor, like the Flex mode on Galaxy phones that turn half the screen into a control panel. But regardless of whether the phone comes from Samsung, Google, or any of the many phone makers who've released foldable devices in China, there's one area with foldable phones that continues to fall short of expectations. And it's something that this new wave of devices is going to need to address if foldable phones are to become the mainstream products their advocates are hoping for. Foldable phones need to last longer on a charge. More details about the Galaxy Z Flip 5's battery configuration have emerged. The upcoming foldable phone won't borrow its batteries from the Flip 4, but it might not bring a significant upgrade either. And by the looks of it, any potential battery life gains the upcoming Flip 5 might boast will mostly depend on the newer Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. Last month, we learned two interesting facts about its dual battery configuration. Firstly, these newer batteries feature pull tabs, which makes them easier to replace. They will no longer be hard-glued into place without a convenient way to be removed from the phone. The second big change we talked about last month is that the Flip 5's secondary battery has a lower rated capacity than the Flip 4's secondary unit. And now, more specifications have emerged from regulatory agencies, giving us a clearer picture of the upcoming foldable phone's dual battery configuration. Regulatory documents reveal that its smaller battery has a rated capacity of 971, while the larger battery has a rated capacity of 2620 mAh. This brings the total rated battery capacity up to 3591 mAh. As far as the consumer market is concerned, both phones will most likely be described as having a typical battery capacity. And as a result, any battery gains posted by the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 5 will likely be the result of the newer Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and better optimization. Past performance doesn't necessarily guarantee future results, so we'll have to see how those phones perform when we actually get them in for testing. The Pixel Fold next month and the Samsung Foldables when they're announced later this year. Still, the signs are encouraging that foldable phones could finally exhibit some decent battery life. Frankly, it's not a moment too soon. So what are your thoughts about the battery life of foldable smartphones? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comments section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.